This Tagalog lesson is about the word medyo that can be translated to the informal English phrase kind of or its contracted form kinda. Medyo. Medyo nakakalito ang paliwanag niya. Her explanation is kind of confusing. Medyo nakakalito ang paliwanag niya. Her explanation is kind of confusing. Medyo nahihiya akong aminin yon. I'm kind of embarrassed to admit it. Medyo nahihiya akong aminin yon. I'm kind of embarrassed to admit it. Medyo masama ang pakiramdam ko. I'm feeling kind of under the weather. Medyo masama ang pakiramdam ko. I'm feeling kind of under the weather. Medyo maalinsangan ngayon. It's kind of muggy today. Medyo maalinsangan ngayon. It's kind of muggy today. Medyo mapili siya sa pagkain. He's kind of a picky eater. Medyo mapili siya sa pagkain. He's kind of a picky eater. Medyo madaling matandaan ang kantang ito. This song is kind of catchy. Medyo madaling matandaan ang kantang ito. This song is kind of catchy. Medyo nagmamadali ako. I'm kind of in a hurry. Medyo nagmamadali ako. I'm kind of in a hurry. Medyo makakalimutin ang tatay ko. My father is kind of forgetful. Medyo makakalimutin ang tatay ko. My father is kind of forgetful. Medyo gusot ang kamiseta ko. Paplantsahin ko. My t-shirt is kind of wrinkled. I'll iron it. Medyo gusot ang kamiseta ko. Paplantsahin ko. My t-shirt is kind of wrinkled. I'll iron it. Nagbiro siya ng medyo hindi nakakatawa. He told a joke that kind of fell flat. Nagbiro siya ng medyo hindi nakakatawa. He told a joke that kind of fell flat. Medyo matapang ang kaping ito. This coffee is kind of strong. Medyo matapang ang kaping ito. This coffee is kind of strong. Medyo nagugutom ako. Tara, merienda tayo. I'm kind of hungry. Let's grab a snack. Medyo nagugutom ako. Tara, merienda tayo. I'm kind of hungry. Let's grab a snack. Medyo nakakainis ang tahol ng aso. The dog's bark is kind of annoying. Medyo nakakainis ang tahol ng aso. The dog's bark is kind of annoying. Medyo masikip ang kwarto ng hotel. The hotel room is kind of cramped. Medyo masikip ang kwarto ng hotel. The hotel room is kind of cramped. Medyo mahilig siyang magbasa. He's kind of a bookworm. Medyo mahilig siyang magbasa. He's kind of a bookworm. Medyo madilim dito. Pakibuksan mo naman ang ilaw. It's kind of dark in here. Please turn on the light. Medyo madilim dito. Pakibuksan mo naman ang ilaw. It's kind of dark in here. Please turn on the light. Medyo masikip sa akin ang damit na ito. This dress is kind of tight on me. Medyo masikip sa akin ang damit na ito. This dress is kind of tight on me. Namasyal ako sa isang lugar na medyo bumighani sa puso ko. I visited a place that kind of stole my heart. Namasyal ako sa isang lugar na medyo bumighani sa puso ko. I visited a place that kind of stole my heart. Medyo adik ako sa pagbibiyahe. I'm kind of a travel junkie. Medyo adik ako sa pagbibiyahe. I'm kind of a travel junkie. Medyo mamantika yung pizza. The pizza is kind of greasy. Medyo mamantika yung pizza. The pizza is kind of greasy. Medyo nakakakaba yung interview. The interview was kind of nerve-wracking. Medyo nakakakaba yung interview. The interview was kind of nerve-wracking. Medyo mabagal ang internet ngayon. The internet is kind of slow today. Medyo mabagal ang internet ngayon. The internet is kind of slow today. Medyo mahigpit siya sa mga anak niya. She's kind of strict with her children. Medyo mahigpit siya sa mga anak niya. She's kind of strict with her children. Medyo luma na ang software na ito. This software is kind of outdated. Medyo luma na ang software na ito. This software is kind of outdated. Medyo mahiyain siya sa harap ng maraming tao. She's kind of shy around many people. Medyo mahiyain siya sa harap ng maraming tao. She's kind of shy around many people. Medyo nag-aalangan kaming tikman yung bagong ulam. We are kind of hesitant to taste the new dish. Medyo nag-aalangan kaming tikman yung bagong ulam. We are kind of hesitant to taste the new dish. Medyo mahal ang kotseng yun. That car is kind of expensive. Medyo mahal ang kotseng yun. That car is kind of expensive. Medyo masaya yung party. The party was kind of a blast. Medyo masaya yung party. The party was kind of a blast. Medyo maingay ang makina ng truck. The truck's engine is kind of noisy. Medyo maingay ang makina ng truck. The truck's engine is kind of noisy. Medyo matamis yung cake, pero masarap naman. The cake is kind of sweet, but it's delicious. Medyo matamis yung cake, pero masarap naman. The cake is kind of sweet, but it's delicious.